sacrifice, Long Island kindness and wine, being left a job, I get it all wrong, ready with some kind of pole, covered in lines, the fossils I find, having no life of their own. So can we potato, sweet and full, the mystery ends. I'm a man with a heart that offends, there's lonely and greedy demands. There's only a shadow of me, the manner of speaking I'm dead. Such a waste, your beautiful face, stumbling carpet rise. Go follow your Jim, your white feathered friend. Icarus poem in the sun. History speaks of two baby teeth, a pain is blue and red. They said beware, Lord, hear my prayer. Wasting my thoughts on Him. So can we be friends, sweetly before the mystery ends. I love you more than the world can contain. This lonely and ramshackle here. There's only a shadow of me, manner of speaking, I'm dead. Tongue on your chest, welcome to say to my heart. If history speaks, a kiss on my cheek, where there remains but a mark. Be like my John, so I'll carry on. Count my cards down to one, and when I'm dead, visit my bed, my fossils bright in the sun. So that we contend before my history ends. Jesus, I need you here, come shield me from fossils that fall